Okay, so in this lab we are going to discuss about how to compile a program. So if you remember, there is the first step, you will have to extract the file, extract the tarval file. Okay. So first I am switching on the another user, student 1, this user, and on this user I am going to copy the file which is exist inside the OPT, already exist, and git here. So it will be download. So it has been exported or copied the file, the location is there, here it is. So I need to extract it because it is in a ZZ format. That is the reason we will use the ZXVF. So why? Because Z means first it will be do the unzip, then it will extract. Okay, so here it is. So here when I am running the ls, then you can see the git has been here, this folder. So I am going to move in this folder first. Here it is. Okay, there is some files are there. You can see lots of the files are there. And you can see there is a .c is extension here. So what is the meaning of .c? This program is written in a C language. So now you can see here at least the one system must be here. The one file is a configure file. So this is the configure file. First I need to run this configuration file. So I am going to run this configuration file. Here is configure, and I am going to use the prefix. So if I want to install any specific location, so I will provide the location here, prefix as a prefix. So it is a start to configuring. So once the configuration will be done, so now the make file has been created. Make file. So what I need to run this command? Make all doc file. So it will make the files. Not also including the document location. What doc means? Why I use the doc? Because it will make the files along with the document. Okay.